So our rollout here is a pure Coregeous Ball event. And I'm inspired for this move from the picture in my original anatomy train. So I have the original, I have the new one, and then I'm going to get the next one as soon as it's out. But here's a beautiful picture of a shark for a lateral line. And the way a shark moves, that's that Axl Rose movement, which describes really, it's the gallbladder meridian. That was my first form of body work, was shiatsu. And when you're doing gallbladder, you're going ziggity, zaggity, ziggity, zaggity all along the side of the trunk. And so we're going to take your Coregeous Ball, and guess what? You're going to snake your way from armpit to the side of the waist, moving in slow motion and interpreting your own ocean as you go. So this is going to wrap the sides of the ribs, the sides of the waist. If your head feels like it's hanging out there, doesn't know what it's doing, and you don't have a microphone on and a ton of hairspray, you can just let your head drag on the floor. I'm a little bit limited by my, hello, facing you over here. I'm a little bit limited by the sculpting that has gone on to make me camera ready. But I want my sides to glisten within. And so you're creating a rocking action, which indeed brings you back to some of your origins inside of your mother's womb, that lolling and shifting from side to side in that fluid containment. So I would highly recommend that you spend at least 4 to 5 minutes on one side before going over to the other. But since it is such a free baller's moment, we're going to flip over to the second side and give the same lateralis love on the other side.